How to restart iPhone. Restarting your iPhone is a quick and simple process that can help resolve minor software glitches, improve performance, and refresh your device. Whether you are using an older iPhone with a home button or one of the newer models, here's how you can restart your iPhone in just a few steps. For iPhones with Face ID, press and hold the side button along with either of the volume buttons until the power off slider appears on the screen. Drag the slider to the right or turn off your iPhone. Wait for about 30 seconds for the device to complete the power off. To turn your iPhone back on, press and hold the side button again until you see the Apple logo on your screen. For iPhones with a home button, press and hold the side button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to the right to power off your phone. After 30 seconds, press and hold the side button again until the Apple logo appears. If your buttons are not working or you prefer to restart your iPhone through settings, what you have to do is open your settings. Now scroll down, navigate to the option of General, scroll all the way down. At the very bottom, you'll find the option of Shutdown. Click on that. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. With that, your phone will restart. And that's it. This is how you can easily restart your iPhone. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.